learners, greetings from Aisect Learn, well known for better education and better careers. I'm your tutor, Dr. Esvina Dhari, for the Python Introduction course. Today, we will be learning about variables and data types in Python. After this video, you will be able to understand different data types and able to know how to define a variable.
So here, you should know the difference between data type and data structure. So in Python, the different data types are integer, float, string, and complex numbers. These are the different data types. That means the type of data we are going to assign is called data type. Data structure means dictionaries, lists, and tuples. So we will discuss it later. Actually, the data structures is using for handling the data, for organizing the data. How can we organize the data? So that is called the data structure. So these are the different data structures. So before going to discuss about the data types, so we should know about what is a variable. So actually, what is a variable? Suppose here in Python, there is no need of declaring a variable, whether it is an integer data type or float data type. Automatically, it will be assigned a value. While if you're assigning a value, after it, it will assume it is an integer data type or string data type it is. Okay. So here I'm going to show you how to in the Jupyter notebook. So x is equal to, suppose here I'm writing x is equal to 10. So automatically it will take, it is an integer data type. No need to, like another language like C, C++, we no need to type integer x is equal to 10 like that, need not, okay? So if I want to print this, what is the x value? So here I just type, that is print x. So press the shift enter, it will automatically run. The value of x, it will be printed. What is a variable? Variable means it will assign the memory location, okay, for your variable. So here, if you want to know the type of a variable, so here you can write the print, the type of variable, that is which type of variable it is. So x, just shift enter. So class, it is integer, okay, it is a class integer. Suppose if I want to declare a float variable, that is a like a decimal point variable I want to use. Here in Python, you can reassign the variables values, okay. Suppose here x is equal to 10. Now I'm assigning a new value. It will automatically change the data type of x. So here x I'm assigning the value that is equal to 10.5, okay. Here I'm just typing print that is equal to the type of x, okay. So what type of this variable is, so I'm just printing. So class is float, okay. So here if I want to print the value of x, what does it have? So just type, sorry, that is 10.5. it is, the value is 10.5, okay. So here two data types we have seen, that is one is integer data type, okay, class integer, and next one is the float. Now one more data type that is I want to show, that is complex numbers, okay. So here I'm just keeping that is equal to x is equal to 4 plus 10j. This is a complex number, this is the syntax, we need to use the j, okay. Here I want to print the value of x, and also I want to print the type of x, okay, print type of x. So shift enter. See, that is the value, and this class is, that is complex number, okay. So while declaring a variable, you should use, that is only it should start with the character value, okay, and it should not with the numerical value. That is the simple. And for any like another language, like other languages, Python is also following the same rules for declaring a variable, okay. And the another data type I just want to show you, that is equal to string data type. So Python is not having a character data type. The single character also will be considered as a string data type. Okay, so here I'm using that is equal to data type is RNTU, X is equal to RNTU. Okay, here I just want to the print the data type of this one, that is equal to X. Okay, it will print the string and the type of variable, which type it is, which data type it is, that is equal to, just use the type variable and just print it. Okay, so this is the RNTU, the X is holding, and here the class is, it is a string variable. Even I'm declaring only one variable, that is a one character, that is equal to P. Also, if you want to just print the P, okay, what type of this is? So print the type of this character. Okay, and this is class, it is string value. Even a single character will be having the string value. Okay, this is about what we do have the about the strings. And one more thing here, the X value is present the first time it is having the integer value. After that, it has been changed to float, and it has been changed to complex, and automatically it will be changed, it has been changed to string value. Okay, and here in string we can take that is equal to X is equal to here I'm using the hello world. So I want to print even a single character also will print. Okay, so X of here I just want to print the third character. Okay, that is 0 1 2 3 L, it will be print. Okay, so shift enter, the L has been printed. So in strings, we can use the print the number of that character wise also we can print. Okay, and so many operations we can do with the strings, that concatenation of strings, and using to be if you want to print the part of the string, so we can do it. So basically, these are the data types we do have in this Python. So integer and float for decimal, string, and complex numbers. These I have shown you while demonstrated you. And different data structures, we will discuss it later, dictionary lists and tuples. Okay. So here the data type will be automatically, it will be taken while declaring the variable. If you're assigning the value, automatically Python will take the assign a data type. Suppose if it is a 10, it will assign the integer. If it is a 10.5, it will assign the float data type to that particular variable. So variable, we can assign the new values using the same variable. Okay, so this is a complex variable also there, and the string variables. And string also we can do, we can print the character wise also, even character also it will take the string data type only. Okay, so here after doing this all coding, you just need to check click the file and save one checkpoint we need. Okay, so it will automatically saved. Okay, so while looking at this is a Jupyter Untitled 10. Okay, so while going to the home page, it is Untitled 10, it has been saved. Okay, Untitled 10. Okay, so here by clicking it, okay, so here it will be the duplicate name also we can do it. Okay, the duplicate here I'm clicking this. Okay, so we can shut down it and we can do anything. Okay, automatically it will be reopening. Okay, so while going to the home page, so here, so it will be if you want to duplicate it, or if you want to edit, if you want to delete, and if you want to view, so we can do it. Okay, we can do it in the while opening in the home page. So this is about how to do how to declare a data types and data variables, and how can we use it. I hope you understood the video.
I hope this session will be fruitful for you. Let us meet in the next session. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.